Namaste. I, Dr. Vinay, welcome you to MedSoul Speak, physiology in a nutshell that makes you wonder why and how, pokes you to find for answers now. When you play a sport like badminton, where the players has to adjust or adapt themselves while playing, anticipating each and every move and technique of the opponent, this is similar to feed forward or adaptive control mechanism. This control mechanism operates in anticipation to the change in regulated variable and facilitates to improve the speed of body's homeostatic response and minimizes fluctuations and variable would be well regulated. For example, temperature sensitive receptors in skin monitors outside temperature or external temperature. Fall in surrounding temperature is detected by those receptors present on the skin, and the information is relayed to the brain, which activates the system to conserve heat and increases heat production. In this way, compensatory thermoregulatory responses are activated before the reduced outside temperature or external temperature can cause the fall in core body temperature. Similarly, increase in respiratory rate and heart rate in anticipation of exercise is one of the example for adaptive control mechanism. Secretion of digestive juices in anticipation of food, like food in mouth, triggers the secretion of gastric juice. In summary, due to feed-forward control mechanism or adaptive control mechanism, body adapts to the expected change and minimizes the fluctuation in the variable, facilitating better regulation. Homeostasis is nothing but maintenance of balance. Even a minor change is detected and an integrated control system is activated and an eventual response work towards restoring the change. This is brought about by three control mechanisms, which are negative feedback control mechanism, positive feedback control mechanism, or feed-forward control mechanism, are also called as adaptive control mechanism. This is Dr. Vinay signing off from MedSoul Speak, physiology in a nutshell. Thank you for your support and awaiting your feedback. Amazed with the answers found till now. Meet you again with why and how.